Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to cover two more Power Query functions that are is in next n hours and is in previous n hours. Okay, and if you not have watched our previous video, or some of the videos coming next, do watch them. They are all around date time function. These are minutes, hours and second level functions. So we are trying to cover these. So let's jump directly on to add column, custom column, and we'll check out next an hour, and the function to check is it in next 8 hour. And we have created a data set which can fit in this requirement by and loaded it, and then we are utilizing it. If you need, when you are doing it at that time, you need to have that kind of data. If it is already available with you, nothing like that. Okay, so and we say is in next an hour, and we'll simplify this by taking our column and then only 2 hours. So it's a very simple thing. Just need next 2 hours, and there is something wrong. Next 2 hours it should be okay. And let's see, is there something true here? Yes, we have some true data. So here we should have the 10, and we just search, there should be something known as 11 p.m. also. A lot of data, 3600 seconds are there, and we would have 1000 rows. So let's see, sort descending can help us. Or we are someplace sort descending. Okay, so we got it. Clear sort. We don't want to keep all these things, because if we keep and we do something else, we might not get the correct result, because now we are going to jump on next and previous n hours. And let's jump to previous n hours. Let's say previous n hours. So date time dot is in previous n hours, and we give date time, and we give only 2 here also. We say okay, we go here, load more data, we found true, we select true, and it should be in last 2 hours. Okay, 7 to 9, that's the range. So now we know how to use these date time functions around the hour, next an hour, previous an hour. And you have that kind of requirement. This could be very specific or niche requirement which you might have, and you can meet it using this. So go ahead and try these out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.